Hi cute kids, how are you? Today I am going to draw a cute fish bowl easy step by step. First of all I am drawing fish bowl. Now I'm drawing a cute fish. Fish is swimming in the water. Now drawing cute plant in fish bowl. Looking so cute. Let's make outline more visible. Let's paint together. Let's paint fish first. Fish is looking so cute. Now filling plant with green color. Painting fish tank with beautiful yellow color. It's looking so cute. Wow, take care and see you again in next video.